If your Jeep Gladiator infotainment screen goes black when using Apple CarPlay, you are not alone. Statistics show that over 70% of these connectivity issues are simple software glitches rather than hardware failures. Let us start with the most effective troubleshooting step. Perform a hard reset by holding the volume and tune knobs down until the system reboots. If the reset fails, inspect your cable and the USB port for physical damage or accumulated debris. Head into your phone settings to forget the Uconnect device and repair it as a fresh connection. If you have tried these steps and the screen remains black, it is time to have the dealer check for firmware updates. Most users find that a simple reset solves the problem immediately without needing a mechanic. Maintain your system by keeping your iPhone updated and using only certified high-quality charging cables. Remember that the communication between your phone and the head unit relies on a clean, consistent data link. Sometimes your system just needs a fresh start to clear out minor memory conflicts. Thanks for watching and stay connected on your next adventure.